Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, welcome to Beji Temple. This place is one of the unique religion tourism spots in Buleleng, Bali. And today, I will guide you to know more about this temple. So, let's follow me inside.
Pura Beji take around 8 km from the city center of Singaraja. Beji Temple is one of the famous North Balinese temples dedicated to Dewi Sri, who is the goddess of agriculture and rice for the Javanese and Balinese people. During normal era, this place always attract the tourists to visit. Many people choose this place as a pre-wedding place because of its beautiful and its unique views. A lot of people take its of uncomfortable photo moment there.
Besides its unique destination, this temple also has great meaning for surrounding community and as an ancestral heritage that should be preserved. In this new normal, let's support Indonesian tourism by optimizing and advancing tourist destination in Indonesia. Thanks for watching and see you all.